Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on VoiceOver so you can hear interface elements. Go to Settings, Accessibility, VoiceOver, toggle it on. Next, adjust speech rate and verbosity under VoiceOver settings so the voice matches your pace. Add rotor items like navigation and text selection to speed actions. Finally, assign an accessibility shortcut, triple-click the top or home button for instant access. Once done, practice the basic gestures. I'll teach next to move around efficiently and confirm the settings work for you. You'll learn the gestures that let VoiceOver control the iPad. Single tap selects an item and VoiceOver speaks it. Double tap activates that item. Two-finger swipe up or down scrolls content, while a two-finger scrub, Z motion, goes back or exits. Use three-finger gestures for paging and dragging. Rotate the rotor with two fingers to change granularity, then flick left or right to move by character, word, or line. Make sure to practice in Notes or Mail so the motions become natural for daily use. You'll finish by customizing and handling common issues. In Settings, tweak spoken content and VoiceOver voices for clarity and language. Choose faster or slower rates and different voices. Make sure Bluetooth audio isn't routing speech incorrectly. Disconnect accessories if speech cuts out. If VoiceOver becomes unresponsive, toggle it off then on, or force restart the iPad. That resolves most glitches. As a last resort, reset accessibility settings. This preserves data but restores defaults. If nothing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.